Education in Indonesia. Indonesia is a beautiful island country that settles between the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Lying along equator, the country experiences no extreme of season in both winters and summers and is either wet between October and April or dry between May and September. Indonesia comprises of no territory in the mainland Asia, but Malaysia, the closest mainland country, and Malay Peninsula claims on the mainland compulsory education in Indonesia. The compulsory Indonesian education consists of 9 years and all Indonesian citizens must undergo 6 years at the elementary level and 3 years at the secondary level. The Islamic school doesn't come under this area are managed by the Ministry of Religious Affairs. Academic year in Indonesia. The school lasts for 38 weeks on an average for the primary and secondary levels. The duration of the class for the primary level is 30 minutes in grade 1 and grade 2, 40 minutes duration for grade 3 to grade 6, and 45 minutes duration for the junior secondary schools. The classroom language of instruction in Indonesia is provided in the National Bahasa Indonesian language. Education system in Indonesia. Primary education. The primary education in Indonesia falls right after the preschool that might start in a child's third year. Most of the elementary schools in Indonesia are government-run and some schools offer programs that are accelerated and compress the past to 5 years. The Islamic education system also operates in parallel to this system of education. Middle education in Indonesia. The middle education is to work as a bridge between the mild phases of the elementary education followed by the senior high school, which is more challenging. This system of education also guides the educator to determine a possible future direction for their students. The Islamic middle education system continues to provide an alternative. Secondary education. The secondary education has two different kinds providing two different streams of education. One is for those who intend to go for further studies in university and the other type is for those who want to find a job right after high school. Vocational education. The vocational training for students in Indonesia are offered by the private training colleges with initiatives by the donor countries. Tertiary education. The tertiary education in Indonesia comprises of 4 different kinds of namely academies, polytechnics, universities, and institutes. Some are privately funded, some are state-controlled, and some are affiliated to religious organizations. Structure of education system in Indonesia. The education system in Indonesia comprises the primary, middle, secondary, vocational, and tertiary education. The compulsory education is for 9 years and hence everyone must attend 6 years of elementary level and 3 years of secondary education. There are also many Islamic schools in Indonesia which don't come under this and are managed by the Ministry of Religious Affairs, Indonesia. Know about the structure of education system in Indonesia. Pre-higher education, age 7 to 15 years, school system structure. First stage school type, elementary, length 6 years, age 7 to 12. Second stage school type, junior secondary, length 3 years, age 13 to 15. Upper secondary education, school type, general senior secondary, length 3 years, age 16 to 18. The certificate or diploma that is awarded to successful candidates. Certificate for the successfully completing upper secondary school, vocational secondary school type, the vocational senior secondary education, length 3 years, age 16 to 18. School education. The Indonesian compulsory education is for 9 years, which includes 6 years of elementary education and 3 years of secondary education. The secondary education has the junior level or also known as SMTP, sekolah menengah tingkat pertama, the senior level or also known as SMTA, sekolah menengah tingkat atas, and the technical or vocational education. The junior secondary education school comprises of 3 years and also is a part of basic school education program having 6 years primary school education. Senior secondary education has 3 years and it has different forms of secondary education schools that include vocational, Islamic, and general. Further, senior secondary education has 3 sessions, and in the senior secondary school third year, the students get to choose between language, natural sciences, and social sciences. The graduate from the senior secondary education schools should get the senior level certificate or sekolah menengah atas, which along with an entrance exam is important to attain for further pursuing their higher education. Higher education. Indonesia is home to different types of higher educational institutions like universities or public and also private. Institutes for teachers training, Islamic institutes, private and public offering professional and academic university level of education, and polytechnics. Language Indonesian. Different stages of studies. The non-university level. The non-university level education such as vocational or higher technical education is given by the academy that are single faculty, academies conferring diploma, and the polytechnics that also confer diplomas. University level studies. The university level studies are divided into 3 stages. First stage, university level sarjana or S1. The university level first stage is sarjana or strata 1, which is awarded to students after successful completion of full-time 4-year study at a school, university, or institute. The students must secure a total of 144 credit marks to graduate. For subjects like dentistry, medicine, pharmacy, engineering, and veterinary science, additional 2 to 6 semesters are added. The degree certificates which are awarded to the students bear the sarjana inscription and then the name of the subjects. Second stage, university level magister or S2. The magister or strata 2 is the second stage of the university level that is awarded to all successful students after completing another 2 years of study and research. Somewhere between 36 to 15 credits above stage 1 are essential for us students to graduate in the second stage of the university level. Third stage, university level doctor or S3. The third stage, which is also known as doctor or strata 3, comprises another 2 to 4 after the second stage or magister.